Good morning everyone, this is Bhumika. We were doing our second chapter and today we will do the conversion of units. So in this topic, we are going to learn the prefix of these metric by a phrase. So first of all, we can remember the metric prefix in order by learning a phrase. And what is the phrase? King Henry died, uncle didn't cry much. Why we are learning this phrase? To learn the order of metric, and to learn that we have to just remember the first letter of these all words. Now what is the meaning of K, H, D, U, D, C and M here? Let's see. From king we are taking K, so K represents kilo. From Henry we are taking H and H represents hecto. From died we are taking D and D represents deca. From uncle we are taking U and U represents unit. From didn't we will take D and D represents deci. Now from cry we are taking C, C represents centi, and last one much, M represents milli. Now here you can see this deca and deci. Both are represented by D. So you might get confused that which one will come earlier. So just remember, this might work for you, that there is a difference of A and I in deca and deci. So A come before I, so A will come earlier and I will come later. So deca will come earlier and deci will come later. Now coming to this ladder, let me explain you what this ladder means. Here at the topmost place, kilo is there, then hecto, then deca, then base unit, then deci, then centi, and at last milli. You know what is base unit? Base unit are standard unit. For example, if we talk about length, then base unit is meter. If we talk about capacity, the base unit is liter. If we talk about weight, the base unit is gram. So base unit represent the standard unit, that is length, meter, gram, etc. Now if we have to change these units to other units, how will we change? If we are moving from upward to downward, or we can say move to the right. According to this phrase we are moving to right, and according to it we are moving downward. So if we move to the right or if we move to the downward, we multiply by 10 in every step. Similarly, if we move to the left, left means from here to here, and if we talk about like this, we will move to downward. So if we move to the left or if we move downwards, we divide. If we move upward, then we divide by 10. Clear? You can also remember by this, bigger unit to smaller unit we multiply. Means if we are changing from bigger to smaller one, we multiply. And if we are changing from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide. Means if we are changing from smaller to bigger, we will divide. Just remember, we will multiply by 10 in every step. Similarly, we will divide by 10 in every step. Now for example, if we are changing from kilo to deca, what will we do? Of course, we have to move downward, or we can say we are moving rightward. If you are learning like this, you are moving to rightward. So if you are moving from kilo to deca, means you are moving 2 steps, 1 and 2. So you have to multiply by 100, because there are 210 and 210 means 100. So if we are going to change from kilo to deca, we will multiply by 100. Similarly, for example, if we are going to change from deca to deci, what will we do? We will multiply by 100, because we are going 2 steps and we are going downwards or right side. So we are going to multiply. It will be much better if you learn like moving to right side and moving to left side, because you can write this King Henry died, uncle didn't cry much. Just remember here U represent unit, that is the standard unit. Now talking about if we have to change from centi to deca, what will we do? Of course we are moving upward, or according to it we are moving left side. So we have to divide. And how much steps we are moving? From centi to deca we are moving 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we will divide by 1000 because we are going to include 3 tens. Now the only thing you have to remember in all this is, first of all, this phrase King Henry died, uncle didn't cry much. Then you have to remember, if we are moving right side we will multiply, if we are moving left side we will divide. Now coming to our exercise 2.8, question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part is 56 meter is equals to dash centimeter. Now from the question it is very clear, we have to change from meter to centimeter. For that phrase you can just write roughly those initial of that. Means King Henry died. This D you can write full, that is deca, because A comes first. The King Henry died, uncle didn't cry much. This didn't is daci. And this U you can circle to just remember that this is the base unit. Now just see, you are going to change from meter to centimeter. Meter is of course standard unit or base unit. Now from this you have to move to C. From this you have to move to this. So how much places you are moving? 1 and 2. 2 places you are moving, it means you have to multiply or divide by 100. Now see, you are moving downwards, or now you are moving downwards. So in downwards you know you have to multiply. So 2 places we are moving, so we will multiply by 100. So 56 meter will be equal to 56 multiplied by 100 centimeter. You all know 56 multiplied by 100 will be 5600. So our answer will be 5600 centimeter. Similarly comes to the B part. Now we are changing to 8 kiloliter to liter. This liter you know it is the basic unit, and you are changing from kilo, that is from here. You are coming from here to here. Now how many places we are coming? 1, 2 and 3. 3 places we are coming, so we will multiply by 1000. And since we are coming downwards, we will multiply. So 8 kiloliter will be equal to 8 multiplied by 1000 liter. You know 8 multiplied by 1000 will be 8000 liter. I am just repeating. In this question we were moving from base unit to centimeter, that is to C. So from here we were coming here, that is 2 places we are moving, so we have multiplied by 100. Here we were coming from this position to this, means 3 places we were moving, so we have multiplied by 1000. Just remember, when we are coming downwards we multiply, when we go upwards we divide. Now coming to C part. C part is 7651 gram to dash kilogram. Means we have to change, you know this gram is basic unit, means we have to change from basic unit to kilo. So where we have to move? From this basic unit to kilo. So how many steps we are moving? 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps we are going, and where we are going? Upward. Upward means division, and 3 step means 1000. So we are going to divide it by 1000. So 7651 gram will be equal to 7651 divided by 1000. I told you in decimals multiplication and division, if we are multiplying, decimal will move to right side, and if we are dividing, decimal will move to left side. Now you can see here there is no decimal, means decimal is at last, and we are dividing by 1000, so we will count 3 digits from left and will put the decimal between 7 and 6. This you can also learn as, for example, this 7651, if it is divided by 1000, you know the number of zeros in the denominator, we just leave that number of places in the numerator and put the decimal. So this way also you can do, and this way also you can do. Directly we are dividing by 1000, so we will leave 3 digits and will put the decimal. Now in D part, we have to change 0.25 kilometers to meter. So in this question we are coming from this K to basic unit. So how many steps we are moving? 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps we are moving, and 3 steps means 1000, and we are coming downwards, means we will multiply. So this 0.25 kilometer will be equal to 0.25 multiplied by 1000. You all know when we multiply, we will move to right side as much number of zeros as we are having. Here we are having 3 zeros, so we will move to 3 places and our answer will be 250 meter, because 2 places we can see and 1 place we will fill by 0. Now coming to E part. In E part, 2 meter 38 centimeter we have to change in centimeter. So first of all you can see 2 meter 38 centimeter can be written as 2 meter plus 38 centimeter. Here you can see this centimeter, we are required the answer in centimeter, so we are not going to change this. We have to change only this meter. So meter is basic unit, and we have to move from basic unit, yani means from U to C. From U to C means we have to move 2 places. 2 places means 100, and where we are moving? Downwards, so we will multiply. So this 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter. From meter we will convert to centimeter as we are multiplying by 100. Now plus 38 centimeter will remain as it is. 2 multiplied by 100 will be 200 centimeter plus 38 centimeter. It will become 238 centimeter. Now coming to F part. In F part we have to change 323 gram to kilogram. Gram is basic unit and kilogram means K. So from U we have to move to this K. So how many places we are moving? 1, 2 and 3. 3 places means 1000, and since we are moving upward, so we will divide. So 323 gram will be equal to 323 divided by 1000. You all know 3 zeros are there and we are dividing, so decimal will move to left side. So 1, 2, 3, we can write 0.323 kilogram. Now G part. In G part we have to change 0.12 meter to millimeter. You know this meter is basic unit and millimeter means we have to move up to M. Just see, from this base unit we have to move up to M. From means here to here. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So again we are going to divide or multiply by 1000. Now since we are coming downwards, so downward means we are going to multiply. So 0.12 meter will be equal to 0.12 multiply by 1000. And you know when we multiply, decimal move to right side. 1, 2, 3, there are 3 zeros. So decimal will move to 3 places. 1 and 2 are here and 1 we will get by adding 0. So our answer will be 120 millimeter. Now H part, 6 gram 32 milligram is equals to dash milligram. This 6 gram 32 milligram can be written as 6 gram plus 32 milligram. Now we have to change our answer in milligram. So we are not required to change this. We have to change only this. Gram means basic unit. From basic we are moving to M. So from U we have to move M. How many places? 1, 2 and 3. 3 places means 1000. And since we are moving downward means we have to multiply. So this can be written as 6 multiplied by 1000 milligram plus 32 milligram was already there. 6 multiplied by 1000 will be 6000 plus 32 and 6000 plus 32 will be 6032 milligram. Now in I part 5.6 kilogram to dash gram. Again we will write King Henry died. This D will be deca. Uncle we will circle. Didn't means dash C. Didn't cry much. Now we have to move from K to basic unit means from here to here. We are moving 3 places. So we will multiply by 1000. So 5.6 kilogram will be equals to 5.6 multiplied by 1000 gram. You know 3 zeros are there and multiplication is there. So we will move to 3 places right side. 1 place we are given and rest 2 places we will add. We will complete by adding zeros. So our answer will be 5600 gram. In this question, J part 3.128 kilometer to meter means from K to basic unit. From again here to here, we are moving 3 places downwards. So we will multiply by 1000. So 3.128 kilometer will be equal to 3.128 multiplied by 1000. 3 zeros are there and we are multiplying, so our decimal will move to right side and our answer will be 3128 meter. Now in K part 7 meter 45 centimeter will be written as 7 meter plus 45 centimeter. We have to change in centimeter, so we will leave it and we will change this meter. So from meter means basic unit to centimeter, it means 2 places we are moving. And we are moving downward, so we will multiply. So 7 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 45 centimeter. And our answer will be 700 centimeter plus 45 centimeter, which will be equal to 745 centimeter. Now L part. In L part, we have to move from meter, means from basic unit to M. Means from here to here. We are moving 3 places, so we will, since we are moving downward, so we will multiply, and we are moving downward 3 places, so we will multiply by 1000. So 0.19 multiplied by 1000 millimeter. Multiply is there and 3 zeros are there, so our decimal will move 3 places right side. That will be, our answer will be 190 millimeter. Now M part. In M part, we have to move from milliliter to liter. Liter is basic unit and this is M. So from M to U. 3 places we have to move and we are moving upward, so we will divide. So we will divide by 1000. So 408 milliliter will be 408 divided by 1000 liter. 3 zeros are there, so our decimal will move to 3 places. And since we are going to divide, so it will move to left side. So our answer will be 0.408 liter. Then next in this we have to move from kilogram to gram, means K to simple basic unit. From here to here. Again we are moving 3 places and we are moving downwards, so we will multiply by 1000. So 0.056 kilogram will be equal to 0.056 multiplied by 1000. Multiply is there and 3 zeros are there, so we will move to right side. That is 3 places right side means 56 gram. Then last part, that is O. 32 millimeter is equals to dash meter. Here we are moving from M to simple unit. So from M to this. 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 places we are moving and 3 places upward. So we will divide. So 32 millimeter will be equal to 32 divided by 1000. 3 decimals are there and we are dividing, so it will move to left side. So our answer will be 0.032. Now I am going to tally the answers of homework of 7 August. That was exercise 2.6, question number 2. From here you can see the answers. Now in homework you have to do exercise 2.6, question number 3. In this question you have to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, etc. You know, as much zeros are there, your decimal will be moved that much places. And in which direction? To right direction. With this we have completed our second chapter. From next class we will start the next chapter.